Want to share more without overwhelming your layout? The Accordion's got you. Start by setting the number of items you want and updating their titles. Design the titles in their regular state first. Then adjust the hover state. Move on to styling the containers and setting the properties you need. Then, set the design properties for the accordion items. Next, refine the design of each item, place the content, and update the elements. For the final touch, check the overall accordion layout. And that's it! The accordion is ready, revealing more content when each item is clicked.